Alright, this video we'll learn how to use a command. It's called a swept base, also a swept cut. And we have learned so far that is we have extruded base, we have extruded cut, and revolved base, and revolved cut, and loft. We're going to loft base, loft cut. The only difference is you have extruded a swept, you make the solid object. When you have this cut, that means you're going to cut from this object. So it's opposite operation, but everything is the same. If you want to cut this shape into a solid body, you just use the swept cut. Okay, but for now we just talk about a swept base. Okay, let's create a new file. Click part. Okay. Make sure the unit inch per second. I'm going to start from front plan, make a sketch. I want to zoom out a little bit, and I want to start up somewhere here. Right now we do not need the exact dimension. I'm going to draw two random lines. Start from here and here. It should be good. And hit enter twice. Okay, we have a two line. And now I'm going to exit sketch, click feature. I'm going to click swept base. I'm going to click this one. Okay, now that is, look here, that is currently you have a sketch profile, you have a circular profile. Let's choose circular profile. Once again, that is, if your sketch one is not here, you need to click this one, then pick up the sketch. Okay, if it's sketch one is already here, and also you can choose the circular, what is the diameter. I'm going to choose 0.4. So I have a sketch, and now I make a swept into a circular rod, and click OK. Okay. Now that is, if you we just make a rod and follow this path, which is the two line. Okay. Now let's click right plan one more time. I'm going to click sketch, right plan, click sketch, and this time I'm going to use the spline. I'm going to click 1 point over here, and 1 point over here, 1 point over here, and 4 points. Click the first point, and right click your mouse and select. So that ends the spline command. Okay, once this one is done, I'm going to click features and click swept base. This time, once again, that is, and currently let's select the circular profile, and click this base, the path, and select this path. And the diameter, I'm going to choose this one, is 0.4 as well. So click OK. Now you notice that we just made a rod with the diameter. Of course, you can always change your diameter. I'm going to go to isometric view. Okay. And now next one, I'm going to create another plan and use, if you notice, this is the profile. If you look at the profile, this is circular. Can we define this profile? The answer is yes. I'm going to make a rod similar to this, but use our user-defined profile. Okay. So I'm going to click right plan again. Click sketch. I'm going to click view orientation and number 2. Okay. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. I want to make sure you start from, we're going to create a spline one more time. Okay. I'm going to start from here. And second click over here. And third click over here. And the fourth click over here. And the fifth click over here. Then right click and select. Okay. Now we have a profile. If you notice that I did that purposely, one of the point is on the origin, because we need a profile. I want to make sure the profile is somewhere. Okay. Once we finish this, we exit the sketch. Okay, next one, I'm going to click right plan. I'm going to start from right plan and make a sketch. Okay, now I'm going to go to view orientation. I'm going to click the right view. Okay, this is the right view. Once again, that is, you will notice that is the origin is here. The origin is here, so that's our origin. This time, I'm going to create a line. You can use a profile any type. You can use the circular, you can use the rectangle, you can any, or you can use the irregular shape. I'm going to click line command. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to start from somewhere here. That is along. You can see the origin, and make sure this profile, this closed body. You can choose at any size any wanted, but make sure that is the origin is inside this box. Okay. Once this is done, we finish this. I'm going to exit the sketch. Okay. I'm going to go to view orientation. Click isometric view. Now, if you notice that is, I just created a path, also a profile. Now I want to expand the path, the profile along the path to make this irregular shape, the rod with a irregular shape of profile. Okay. Once this one is done, we can do is, okay, make sure you click somewhere else on the screen, and I'm going to choose swept base. Okay, and this one I'm going to keep this sketch profile. I'm going to keep the sketch profile, but the first one you can see that is profile. You can click this one. You have two ways. One that is you can select this profile directly, this joint directly. Another way that is, if you notice that is the fly out, I want to click this one, and this sketch, if you click this sketch, this is my sketch 28. For yours could be, could be very different. Don't worry about that. Just the sketch of the profile file you just made. I'm going to make a sketch here. If I click this one, that means this one is selected. Another way, easy way, that is just click this one and click this profile. See, that one is selected. Another way, that is we need to select this one called a path. Okay, if you click this one, once again, that you can go over here, this fly out, and click this, this one. Once again, that is 27 for mine. That is this line. Another way, that is just click this one, just click this line directly. Okay, now you see that is I have made this rod. It follow the profile I created right here. What you can also do that is, if you notice, I only finish a part of it, not the other part. Okay, so you can select this is over here. That is, you can choose direction 1, direction 2, by direction. If you click this one, it make the rod in 2 directions. You just need to click the middle one. All right, click this one. Now we finish the rod, and if we click this, I'm going to go to isometric view. Yeah, it is already isometric view. You will notice that is I just finished this object with the circular. Once again, that is, this is circular. This is our user-defined profile. Okay, so this is how we use the swept. Once again, that is, if you need to make a hole following this type of profile, you need to use the swept cut. Okay, and for this one, we do not give you exact dimension. Of course, you can always use, if you have exact dimension, use the smart dimension. You can define your sketch so you can get exactly the dimension you wanted. Okay, see you in next video.